Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to teach you Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. This is the part 2 video on Basic Geometrical Ideas. If you haven't watched my first video on Basic Geometrical Ideas, you immediately watch that video and then watch this video. In this part 2, we are going to learn triangle, what is a triangle, and more about a triangle, quadrilateral, circle. Let us learn one by one. First, triangle. What is a triangle? The simple closed figure or the simple closed polygon formed by three line segments is called a triangle. To understand this, let us draw a figure. These line segments are called sides. AB, BC, AC are called sides. A triangle has three sides. These are sides AB, BC, CA. Three sides. Those are AB, BC, CA. Three angles. A triangle has three angles. Those are angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Three vertices. Three vertices. Those are A, B, C. This is A, B, C. A triangle divides the plane into three parts. This is a plane. It divides the plane into three parts. Interior of the triangle and exterior of the exterior of the triangle, boundary of the triangle. A triangle divides the plane into three parts. They are First one, interior of the triangle. Interior of the triangle. Boundary of the triangle. Third one, exterior of the triangle. A triangle with its boundary and interior is called a triangular region. This is a boundary of the triangle and this is the interior of the triangle. So boundary of the triangle and interior is called triangular region. Quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A polygon which has 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Here the term quad means 4. Quad means 4. The term lateral means sides. So that the term quadrilateral means bounded by 4 sides. A figure bounded by 4 sides. To understand a quadrilateral, let us draw a figure. It is a quadrilateral ABCD. A quadrilateral has 4 vertices A, B, C, D. 4 vertices. 4 vertices and 4 sides. 1 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. Sides 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 4 vertices are A, B, C, D. 4 sides are AB, BC, CD, DA. 4 angles. They are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. And also it has two diagonals. What is a diagonal? If we joined opposite vertices, then it is called a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. One more diagonal, if we joined B and C, then we get BD as a diagonal. So a quadrilateral has two diagonals. They are AC, BD. AC, BD. A quadrilateral divides the plane into the three parts. They are interior of the quadrilateral. This is boundary of the quadrilateral. And exterior of the quadrilateral, this outside, exterior of the quadrilateral. A quadrilateral divides the plane into three parts. They are interior of the quadrilateral, boundary of the quadrilateral, and exterior of the quadrilateral. Next, circle. The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. To understand this, let us draw a figure. This is a circle. These are points from a fixed center, fixed point. This is called center of the circle. This fixed distance, these are all are same. This is a center of the circle. This fixed point is called center of the circle. The fixed distance, the center is O. The fixed distance is called radius of the circle. Radius. A line segment joining two points on a circle is called chord. chord of the circle. Diameter. The chord which passes through center is called a diameter. We can draw infinitely many chords, but this is the longest chord. This longest chord which passes through center is called a diameter. This is the longest chord in the circle. It is equal to 2 times of the radius. D is equal to 2r, 2 times of the radius. Sector. Region enclosed by an arc and 2 radii is called sector. Let us observe in a figure. This is a arc. Arc is a part of a circle and 2 radii. These are 2 radii. This is arc AB arc. This is arc. This is a center. This is called sector. This is smaller one, minor sector. This is bigger one, major sector. Next to segment. Region enclosed by an arc and a chord is called segment. Let us see in a figure. This is a circle. This is called, this is arc AB arc. Is chord AB chord. This portion is called segment. This is smaller one, minor segment. This bigger one, major segment. This is minor segment, major segment. Semicircular region. Region enclosed by a diameter and an arc is called semicircular region. Let us see in a figure. This is a circle. This is a diameter. This is an arc. There are 2 semicircular regions. This is called semicircular region. This also called semicircular region. A diameter divide and circle 2 semicircles. Semicircles. A circle divides the plane into 3 parts. They are interior of the circle, boundary of the circle, and exterior of the circle. Let us see in a figure. This is a circle. In the plane, it is interior of the circle. This is boundary. This is boundary of the circle. This outside part, exterior of the circle. A circle divides the plane into three parts. They are one, interior of the circle, second one, boundary of the circle, third one, exterior of the circle. Circular region. What is a circular region? The region in the interior of the circle enclosed by boundary is called circular region. This is inside interior of the circle enclosed by boundary. So this is called circular region. These are all about basic geometrical ideas. I think you understood well watching my video. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.